Nevada Highway Patrol also responded to a multi-car crash around 5 a.m. today. So here's what we've learned about that one. It happened near Lockwood around mile marker 21, so on I-80 heading east. Highway Patrol says a Nissan pickup did not slow in time with traffic and rear-ended a Subaru. Then a Ram pickup that was following also didn't stop in time and struck the Nissan pickup. NHP says traffic was slow due to the morning commute and is likely the cause for the crash. No injuries were reported. No impairment is suspected.